Having a hot, fresh towel waiting for you after a shower is one of those little luxuries that instantly makes your day better. Instead of shivering and wrapping yourself in something cold and damp, you get that cozy, spa-like comfort right at home. That's why a towel warmer is a must-have. It keeps your towels toasty, dries them faster, and adds a touch of everyday luxury to your bathroom routine. So in this video, I'm going through the 7 best towel warmers that are truly worth it. These towel warmers aren't just convenient, they're efficient, safe, and easy to use. Whether you want a small model for a compact bathroom or a larger unit for the whole family, I'll have something for everyone. You'll find links to the best prices for all the towel warmers mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these towel warmers aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 7 is the Serene Life Counter Towel Warmer. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It's a bucket-style warmer with a 12-liter inside space, so you can fit one big towel or a robe, a blanket, or even your PJs. The inside is stainless steel, so it holds heat really well and does not feel cheap or flimsy. And it's easy to use. Just tap the power button, choose a timer, 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. And by the time you're out of the shower, your towel is warm. It also has an auto shut-off, which is great because you don't have to worry about overheating or wasting electricity. There's also a little spot on the lid where you can drop in a fragrance disc. So if you like your towels to smell fresh, you can add your own scent and make the whole thing feel a bit more spa-like. Design-wise, it has light wood-style accents on the top and bottom, so it looks nice sitting on a counter. Here's how Trevor sums it up. This towel warmer is a great size for a smaller bathroom. I like having the timer in case I forget to turn it off. It can be set to run for up to an hour in 15-minute increments. It is pretty quick to heat up and simple to use. Overall, it's a very nice towel warmer. It's clean looking and would fit in well with most bathroom decor. Number 6 is the Zadro Large Aromatherapy Towel Warmer. This is the most premium aromatherapy towel warmer on our list. This towel warmer is like adding a small spa moment to your day. You get a lavender essential oil disc when you open the box, and you can drop it inside the warmer so your towels come out warm and lightly scented. The bucket is extra large, so it can fit 2 oversized 40 by 70 towels, or a robe, or even a small blanket or pajamas. And because it's insulated, it holds heat pretty well. You don't need to do anything complicated, just fold your items loosely so the warm air can reach everything. Turning it on is easy too. Just press and hold the button, pick your timer, 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, and then let it heat. It also shuts off by itself when the timer ends, which is great if you forget things. The lights on the front also switch from blue to red when it's heating, so you know it's working. The design has a nice mix of modern and natural touches. The handle and the little feet have a bamboo-style finish, which makes it look more like a decor piece than an appliance, and it has hidden cord storage in the base, so it doesn't look messy when it's sitting out. Overall, if you want warm towels with that calm, spa-like smell, this is the premium pick. Number 5 is the Amba Solo Towel Warmer. This is the best freestanding towel warmer rack on our list. This one is great if you want something you can just plug in and use right away. It stands on its own, so you can move it around your home, bathroom, laundry room, or even a mud room if you need to dry clothes. It has 10 heated bars and all of them warm up, not just a few. That means you can fit 2 full-size towels on it and both will heat evenly. The size is pretty generous too. It's about 33 inches wide and 38 inches tall, so it doesn't feel tiny or cramped. And the build is also sturdy. It's made from 304 stainless steel, so it won't rust, chip, or peel. You can choose between brushed or polished finishes, depending on what fits your space. It heats up in about 10 to 15 minutes, which is normal for a rack-style warmer, but the towels take a bit longer to fully warm up. There's a simple on-off switch and a 5-foot cord. Power use is pretty low, around 150 watts, so it shouldn't make a big impact on your bill, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is always nice for peace of mind. Overall, if you want a clean, modern rack that's easy to use and big enough for 2 towels, this freestanding design is a strong pick. Number 4 is the Team Wings Large Bucket Towel Warmer. This is the best large capacity towel warmer on our list. This towel warmer is simple but powerful. It heats up fast in about 3 minutes and hits around 95 degrees, which feels amazing after a shower. It has a 20-liter bucket, so you can fit 2 oversized towels of 50 by 80 inches, and they still have room to breathe. It's also deep enough for robes or small blankets if you want to warm those up. The timer is easy, and you can tap the same button to switch between 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. And with auto shut-off, you don't have to worry about forgetting it. It also has a short cord, which at first seems odd, but it's actually a safety thing. It keeps the warmer away from water near tubs or sinks. There's a top handle too, so moving it around doesn't feel like a chore, and the inside wipes clean without any hassle. Overall, if you want a big and fast heating warmer that's easy to use, this one is a great choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the towel warmers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Live Fine Towel Warmer. This is the best compact everyday towel warmer on our list. It's a simple bucket-style design, and that's what makes it so easy to live with. You just plug it in, hit the power button, and it starts at a 15-minute cycle. If you want more time, there's only one other button. Just tap it to switch between 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. The inside is roomy enough to fit 1 oversized towel, up to 40 by 70 inches, or 2 regular bath towels if you fold them loosely. It also works for robes, blankets, or anything soft you want warmed up. And because it heats all the way around, you don't get weird cold spots in the middle. The lid pops off easily, and there's a handle to move it around. It also has small safety lights and stable feet, so it doesn't slide around on tile or wood floors. It also has an auto shut-off built into the timer, like other options on our list. Overall, if you want something compact, simple, and great for everyday use, this towel warmer is a perfect fit. Number 2 is the 4Pro Premium Hot Towel Warmer. This is the best cabinet towel warmer on our list, so this one is more for people who like that clean spa feel. It heats up fast in about 30 minutes and reaches around 180 degrees. There are no complicated settings, but for the best results, you lightly wet the towels first and wring them out, and they warm up way better. Now, it has a big 23-liter cabinet, so it can hold up to 24 small facial towels at once. That makes it great if you run a spa or if you just want to warm a bunch of towels in one go. And it's not only for towels. You can heat neck wraps, hot packs, and even massage stones if you place them on a towel. The cabinet stays cool on the outside even if it's on all day, which is nice. Inside, you get 2 stainless steel racks that won't rust, and a drip tray at the bottom to catch any extra water. Overall, if you want a cabinet-style warmer that's roomy, steady, and easy to use,
This one earns its spot as the best in that category.
Number 1 is the Pure Enrichment Pure Bliss Luxury Towel Warmer. This is the best overall towel warmer on our list. This towel warmer has a 20-liter bucket, and you can easily warm 2 extra-large bath towels or 3 regular ones, or even a big throw blanket. You can also toss in robes, pajamas, or anything warmed up. The controls are simple with 4 timer options, 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Just tap the button, let it heat, and it'll shut off on its own when the time is up. It even gives a small beep so you know it's done. I also like that the design looks clean and modern. It's white with brushed gold accents, so it doesn't scream for attention. And it's not just for towels after a shower. You can warm blankets for movie nights, heat up socks on cold mornings, or keep a robe ready for when you're winding down. It's simple but makes everything feel a little more cozy. This is what Karina wrote. Absolutely love this. It makes my towels so cozy and warm, and I even tried my blanket last night. OMG, it feel like the warm blankets you get at the hospital. So happy with this purchase. Worth the money, stylish and efficient. How can I beat that? And there's a 5-year warranty, which is a lot longer than most warmers out there. So overall, if you want warmth, space, and a clean design, this one easily earns the top spot. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect towel warmer. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each towel warmer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.